3 o'r gloch. Croeso, croeso nôl, croeso i 10 am 3. Helen dwi, a heddiw, mae Mair yn helpu. Diolch Mair. Ond, for a minute, Mair isn't going to be giving you any help, achos dwi eisiau for you to listen. Dwi eisiau i chi wrando. Sit back, relax, and see how much you can understand in just 3 short weeks. Helo, Helen dwi. Dwi'n gweithio. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg, ond dwi ddim yn mynd i'r gwaith nawr. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg yn y cartre. Dwi'n dysgu Cymraeg ar Facebook a Zoom. Dwi'n byw yn Tonerefail. Sioc! Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. Mae hi'n bwrw glaw yn Tonerefail. Dwi'n byw gyda Dani. Ond yn y lockdown, dwi'n byw gyda Dani, Fflir a Gwynfor. Mae Dani yn actor. Mae Fflir yn gweithio yn Llundain. Llundain, Big Ben, y Siad, 10 Downing Street, Llundain. Mae Fflir yn gweithio yn Llundain. Mae Gwynfor yn y coleg. Mae e'n dysgu Sbaeneg. Sbaen, Madrid, Barcelona, Sbaen. Mae Gwynfor yn dysgu Sbaeneg. So that's a few sentences about me and my family. Your challenge for this weekend is to say as much as you possibly can about you and your family or friends. You'll be surprised, I think, how much you can say. And just to give you a few ideas, I'm going to show you some pictures. Tell me a sentence, probably beginning with mae e, mae hi, or mae'n nhw. And then I'll give you a possible answer, but yours may also be correct. Okay, so you see this photo? Give me a sentence. Mae e'n chwarae golf. Mae e'n siopa. Mae hi'n darllen Western Mail. Mae nhw'n chwarae rygbi. Mae nhw'n yfed te. Mae hi'n bita. Mae e'n smwddio. How about mae hi yn y dre? Mae hi yn y gwaith, or possibly mae nhw yn y gwaith. Da iawn. So, your challenge, say as much as you possibly can. Iawn. Os ydych chi'n hoffi dysgu Cymraeg, if you're enjoying your Welsh lessons, maybe you'd like to consider taking things a step further. During the week of May the 12th, we're going to be starting new courses for beginners. There'll be a combination of about an hour's independent learning ar-line, but then you go on and you'll be put in a class with a tutor and other learners for about a 2-hour session per week. Roughly doing what we're doing now, but obviously far more depth and far more practice. You'll have to register by May the 1st. So you've got a whole night to do that. And the information is all on our page, learnwelsh.cymru. It's there on the front page. Think about it. Diolch. Okay, so dydd Gwener. Dydd Gwener, Gwers 13. Dydd Gwener, Friday. Dydd Gwener. Try it. Dydd Gwener. Eto. dydd Gwener. And it's a pity to be getting a bit negative at the end of the week, but there are two negative forms we need to look at. Okay, dych chi'n cofio? Do you remember? I'm not or I don't? Dwi ddim. Dwi ddim. I don't like. Dwi ddim yn hoffi. Let's try our props again, if you can remember the vocab. Dwi ddim yn hoffi cawl, or maybe dwi ddim yn hoffi cawl tomato. Dwi ddim yn hoffi gwin. Dwi ddim yn hoffi rygbi. And my favourite pastime. Dwi ddim yn hoffi smwddio. Da iawn. So, dwi ddim, we don't, we're not, di ddim. Remember? Dyn ni ddim. A chi? Dyn ni ddim. We'd like. Dyn ni ddim yn hoffi. We don't work. Dyn ni ddim yn gweithio. We're not going. Dyn ni ddim yn mynd. Da iawn. Now, to say they don't, which is our new work, it's so easy. We swap ni with nhw. We don't, dyn ni ddim. They don't, dyn nhw ddim. Dyn nhw ddim. A chi? Dyn nhw ddim. Dyn nhw ddim. Da iawn. They don't. Dyn nhw ddim yn hoffi. Dyn nhw ddim yn hoffi rygbi. Dyn nhw ddim yn hoffi cawl. Dyn nhw ddim yn hoffi cawl tomato. Dyn nhw ddim yn hoffi gwin. Dyn nhw ddim yn hoffi smwddio. So hopefully that one is really easy. They do, mae nhw. Do they, ydyn nhw. They don't, dyn nhw ddim. Yeah, dyn nhw ddim. The only other form we haven't done in the whole of the present tense is he or she don't. So he does, as we've been looking at the cards, my o in North Wales. She does, she is, my he. Question, ydy hi. Now, this is where the south and north will differ a little bit. And a day in the south, I tend to say, do e ddim. Still got the ddim, still got the e. Do. Do e ddim. Do e ddim. He doesn't like. Do e ddim yn hoffi. He isn't going. Do e ddim yn mynd. He isn't playing. Do e ddim yn chwarae. Now, the North Wales is dydy. And if you've got in school in South Wales, possibly they use the dydy form as well. So, she isn't, she doesn't. Dydy hi ddim. Dydy hi ddim. Dydy hi ddim. Doesn't like. Dydy hi ddim yn hoffi. Let's have a look. So, if we say he's playing golf, mae e'n chwarae golf, the negative would be dyw e ddim yn chwarae golf, or dydy o ddim yn chwarae golf. Mae e'n shopper, negative. Dyw e ddim yn shopper, or dydy o ddim yn shopper. She's reading. Mae hi'n darllen. Dyw hi ddim yn darllen, or dydy hi ddim yn darllen. Now, we went through that rather quickly. Take a look over the weekend at our site, ddechreuwyr.cymru, learnwelsh.cymru, and these forms are all in uned saith. Now, dwi'n mynd. A dydd Llun, mae tiwtor newydd. Dydd Llun, you're going to have a new tutor. Dydd dydd Llun mae eirian yn dysgu. So for the next fortnight, you'll have eirian. Pob lwc eirian. I hope she'll enjoy as much as I have. I'll be back in a fortnight, which I think is May the 4th, 4 May, possibly. And we'll be with you 3 o'r gloch every day, every weekday, as long as this lockdown carries on. But remember, if you'd like to register for the courses, you need to do that before I see you again by the 1st of May, Mai y cyntaf. Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl.